Trying to set up Google Ads conversion tracking, but already confused by the Google Tag Manager? You're not alone. A lot of beginners skip that part, set it up wrong, or overcomplicate it. And that can break your entire tracking setup before you even start. Hey, I'm Jasmin, and this is part 1 of my Google Ads conversion tracking series. In this video, I show you how to set up Google Tag Manager correctly from the beginning, step by step. So, first of all, why you should use the Google Tag Manager. So what's the benefit from that? Google Tag Manager is a place to centrally manage all your analytics and marketing tags. It allows you to manage multiple tags, for example, Google Analytics tags, Google Ads conversion tags, or the meta pixel for Facebook, and many more. So instead of manually adding tracking code to different parts of your website. So Google Tag Manager is a great tool to control when tags do and do not fire. And what is a tag? Like a tag is a piece of code which typically collects data and sends it to a platform. A tag analyzes behavior by monitoring which pages are visited, where do the users click, and how long they stay on a site. So as well, they can track conversions by measuring when a user signs up for a newsletter, when a user makes a purchase, and much more. You can either access the Google Tag Manager by typing that into Google and then click search, or you type in tagmanager.google.com to get access to the Tag Manager. So let's create your Google Tag Manager account and container the right way. Go to tagmanager.google.com and sign in with your Google account you want to use for your business. I'm choosing that one. So for me, it looks like that. I already have several accounts I manage, but you would need to create a new account if you don't have one yet. So click Create Account and then enter your business details. So as an account name, I would say enter your business name as an account name. We will just enter Coco Mind. You have to choose your country. I mean, here it's pre-selected because we are in United States. And now you have to actually decide if you want to share data anonymously with Google and others or not. So we are not clicking that at the moment. Now we have to set up a container. I recommend naming your container after the website where you're going to install the Google Tag Manager. So we are putting our domain inside. Yeah, like that. And as a target platform, we have to choose web. And then we just click create. So now we have to accept some terms. I mean, we have to do that to use the Google Tag Manager. We just click here, accept. So now Google Tag Manager gives you 2 code snippets. You have to copy these snippets and add them to your website. So these snippets are actually the only codes you have to integrate in your website. Everything else happens directly in Google Tag Manager. If you're using WordPress, I recommend using the plugin Sitekit by Google, which simplifies the integration of the Google Tag Manager. But if you're using anything other than WordPress, you would need to add the code manually to your website. So the first snippet, this one, usually goes inside the head tag, and this one, it goes directly after the opening body tag. Where exactly you put the code depends a little bit on your provider. So I use System.io for my landing page. So I put the code under funnel and settings. So here. So we will just copy the code here and we will click save. And after you enter the code into your website, you can check if it's integrated correctly. So just type in the URL of your website and then click test. If it was successful, the green check will appear. So all is good, we can see. The Google Tag Manager is now installed on your website. A quick warning at the end, so make sure you install the correct container on the correct website. A wrong setup here can actually create tracking problems later. And always verify if the Google Tag Manager has been connected successfully. Let me give you a quick recap. In this first step, we created your Google Tag Manager account, created your website container, installed Google Tag Manager on the website, verified it. So now your tracking foundation is ready. In the next video, I show you how to connect Google Tag Manager to Google Ads and Google Analytics properly, including one important beginner setup most people miss. And if you want my full Google Ads conversion tracking guide, just comment tracking here below and I will send it to you.